Right, hi guys, welcome to another video. So we're getting into the back end of the year now. It's just gone October and this is one of the videos that will be out pretty much after I've filmed it, because a lot of them I do the videos and I set them to schedule, so they come out sometimes 2 or 3 months after I've filmed, so that way I've always got a stack of videos ready to go. So if I'm having a busy week, and I don't want to do any videos or just can't be bothered, then I know I've got videos all done and dusted ready to come out. So when do I stop my grass cuts? So last year it was quite mild from October into November, and I think I did my last cuts in the first week of November. So that might change, but I basically keep going until the grass stops, and I'm sure that's the case for many of you. And when it comes to kind of communicating with my customers, around about late September, early October, when I drop them a little message just to say the grass has been done, I'll just give them a little update in terms of what I suspect might be the case. So obviously we've just got into October now. I said you're probably looking at another 2, 3, maybe maximum cuts towards the end of the season, but I'll keep going until the grass stops, and that way you're on the same page, and you know, they'll be quite happy with that. At the beginning, when I take over the garden, when I get a new customer, I do explain that as well at the start. I'll not give a time on it. To me it's all weather dependent. That's when you start as well, sort of mid-March roughly, depending on where you are in the country, that is, of course. I mean, you may well go, if you're in the southwest for example, you may well be going well into November, possibly beyond, I don't know. But yeah, so communication's key really throughout, and I tell them at the start I'll just keep going roughly late October, possibly early November, very weather dependent, and everyone's spot on with that. And what I do as well, if I am doing a garden where it's just the grass, hang on, and there's potentially other things that may need doing that I don't get paid to do or I haven't got asked to do, I will just keep a little list in my head for each garden, and just go back to them and say, look, I can, once the grass has stopped, I can do another visit, and just, you know, get your garden a bit more winter ready, whether there's a bit of pruning or it could be anything, obviously. And you know, that's a little way of just extending the season by, you know, a week or two. And I mean, I've got stuff booked already in the diary for, you know, after my grass cuts. I've got some bigger tidies, garden tidies and things booked for when I might need a good 2 or 3 days to do them. So I've got them in for after me grass cuts. But that's a good little way of just getting, you know, a bit extra money just before you kind of pack away for the winter, or whatever you do for the winter. I've been trying to put away a winter fund, so I've got a nice, you know, not a huge but a decent little pot of money just to see us through, you know, December, January, February, because this will be my second winter. My first winter last year died a death. I got a handful of jobs, but I think after Christmas, certainly the lead up, the last couple of weeks up to Christmas, and then through to January and the first half of February, I barely had anything, which was fine. You know, we had the baby in September, and it was nice just being around and helping out, obviously. And if that happens again, I'm quite happy, you know, to put my feet up, have a rest. I mean, I'll be looking after the burn more, which is nice. I'll be doing more videos. So yeah, I'll be keeping myself busy, and that I think is the way I might go kind of in years to come. You know, you obviously hammer it in the spring, summer and autumn, make all you can, and I'll continue to put you know, funds away for the winter, which includes a little bit of ad revenue from YouTube. I see this as an extension of the business now. Not earning fortunes, but it's, you know, it's not that bad. So hopefully year on year that'll build, and you know, I put some money into my savings, and I put some money into the winter fund every month, so hopefully I should be covered. So yeah, I'll end that one there, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.